Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to do a little market update on Brunswick Forest. It's August 2025. I've been getting folks to ask about specific neighborhoods, about what's going on with the numbers. So what we're going to do is dive into it. A couple of years back, we didn't have enough data to really pull from, but we're going to talk about Brunswick Forest today. Hi, my name's Brian Schrader. I'm with the Coastline NC Real Estate Team at BlueCoast Realty Corporation down here in southeastern North Carolina. So today's update, Brunswick Forest, it's it's a neat one because they still are building new. I know that they've sold a lot of their existing lots. They're working on another section that probably won't be released till next year. But let's take a look at some of the figures here. When you look at Brunswick Forest, and this graph here is going to be going back 3 years, so you can see the trend lines, but you can see overall Brunswick Forest, the pricing has kind of gone sideways there. Looks like back in 2022, it jumped up quite a bit, but now it's starting to level off. The average price point in there is around, probably call it like $650,000. What I am seeing here is the new listing. There's definitely a lot more supply that's hitting the market, which is nice. I think buyers are actually now coming down to all those various areas across the country to look, because there's actually more to search. And if you look at that supply graph here, you can see going back in 2022, there wasn't a whole lot of anything except building new back in that area. And you can see we creeped up to around almost close to 5 months worth of supply, which is kind of nice. Percentage of list price, let's see kind of what sellers are getting. Here's a graph of the overall, but actually this is a graph of the resale. But you can see back in 2022, they were getting around 100% of asking, and now they're getting around 98% of asking is the average in Brunswick Forest. And then if we switch over to new construction, you'll see there too that remains pretty high, almost close to 100% of asking on the new construction. But if we look at days on market here, you'll see that they've definitely gone from 34 days on market to where they're sitting around, let's call it 60 days on market for most sales in Brunswick Forest. So the price per square foot here, you can see it's kind of leveled off. It's probably around that 235 to 240, so to speak. But it's definitely a healthy community. Any community that has 10% or less resale properties in it is considered healthy. So this is Brunswick Forest, and I just wanted to give you a quick update because a lot of people were asking me about it. Any specifics, feel free to give me a call if you're down here shopping the area or want to get some more information on that community, or if you might want to get a more precise analysis on your house if you're looking to sell in there too. Feel free to give me a shot. We do free analysis as well on that. So again, Brian Schrader, this is the Brunswick Forest August 2025 market update. We'll hope to see you guys here on the next community update. Take care now.